Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the Amazon country. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Amazon app. Launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change the country in your Amazon account, you need to go to the settings first. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom left corner, tap on it. Once you're in your profile page, here you can see the flag icon at the top right corner, tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to change your country and language. So in order to change your country, here you can see country section, tap on it. It'll open up the list of countries. Select your preferred country which you want to change it to. It has only few countries available, so you can select your country accordingly. For example, I'll switch it to Canada, so I'll tap on it. And once you're done switching it to your preferred country, you can tap on this done button over here. Now the country in your account has been changed. If you go to your profile again, as you can see the flag icon at the top right corner is changed. So that's it. That's how you can change your country in your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.